This is a used 2008 Pontiac Torrent, powered by front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include digital audio input, aluminum rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, a spoiler, an alarm system, roof rails, cruise control, keyless entry, a trip computer, an MP3 player. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, independent suspension, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Kuhn Silver Spring Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 3111 Automobile Boulevard, Silver Springs, Maryland, 20904.